My name is Andrew Vale. I'm VP of Sales for Platinum Press and also one of the founders of the company. We have two facilities, one in Texas right here in Fort Worth and also one in New Jersey in Oakland. So the purpose of this site is to provide a CGMP environment for pharmaceutical printing. So 150,000 square feet of manufacturing is really beneficial for us as a company because it allows us to produce everything under one roof. And it's always been our goal as a company to be at the forefront of not only technologies, but also helping our clients with their issues. It's really how we add value. And as a result, we've also been able to work with other companies in the industry to create partnerships to address issues with serialization. So one of the things that we realized that our clients were running into was that with the booklet-style labels, the labels themselves are actually covered with a laminate which provides a barrier, and the marking was actually rubbing off the label itself. And so what we did is we reached out to players in the industry and we talked about the different types of marking technologies that were available, and that's how we started working with Domino. And so what we did is we created 48 different permutations, and we sent these to Domino's lab, and it came back to us with a very scientific breakdown of exactly which permutation worked best. Ultimately, that ended up being a laser technology with a product called Data Laze, a clear ink-like product that is placed underneath the laminate on the label surface, which would actually change color when it was hit with a laser. The end result was relief, really, from our clients because they tried every permutation that they could until we stepped in with Domino's help to come up with a solution. At the same time, Domino created mark files which carried all of the information that they'd learned from the lab. It was a simple case of these are the lasers, these are the settings, these are the labels. If you can adopt all three of these, you'll have a solution that can work tomorrow, because they were literally able to take their lines, press a button, and be able to start serializing different label constructions without having to do any setup. And that was a huge benefit to all of our clients, certainly with regards to downtime. And although it sounds very easy, in practice it was a 2-year journey with Domino to find a solution that actually ultimately would work. So partnering with Domino was definitely a win for the pharmaceutical market in general. If Domino and Platinum Press hadn't come together and found a solution for serialization on labels, the pharmaceutical industry right now would be struggling. It couldn't have been done, with just one of us working independently. It just wouldn't have worked that way. It required Domino and Platinum Press to work together to find a solution that ultimately would work for our pharmaceutical accounts.